Life, of course, there was one life-changing event, I would say, for myself. Life-changing in what way? Not that I'll live or die, but it is. I'd taken a group of 57 students to Gangotri on a school trip. And Gangotri is not so simple and so easy. We just didn't aim to go to the temple. We were talking of Gomukh. So there is a lot of trek that is required along Bhojwas, Chidwas, Bhojwas, all those different levels until you go to that summit where Gomukh is there, from where the Ganges emerges. Beautiful. I felt like I was in Shiva's home. It was so beautiful. But then what happened? Our principal didn't do the due diligence that should have been done and packed off a group of amateur students and an amateur teacher. I was a young teacher, a new teacher, hardly 27 years old, I think 26 or 27. And I took that entire group of 11th and 12th grade students to Gangotri, and I was leading the trip. Now, 36 students were left behind and a few trekked ahead because there's a very narrow lane. This was life-changing for me, I said, because I realized my strengths. I realized that, okay, I used to always feel I'm not able to take decisions and things like that. In the initial years, you're a simple 27-year-old is, I would say, today a child itself, right? Gradually with experience, you learn, you improve, you grow. And I was able to take decisions, or I realized that what has the principal done. And I spoke to him saying that these children would have been happy with just going to Jaisamand or Silisate, some lake palaces close by. Because their entire intent is to be together, dance, sing, and enjoy rather than, have that, professional approach to that trek. And do that trek where actually mountaineers would learn from Uttarkashi and then engage into those treks. I didn't want any accident to happen. I was responsible for that trip. I wanted to bring all the kids back safe. And the plan was, after Gangotri, go to Yamunotri. Yamunotri is more tough. And en route, that was a time when we didn't have phones or mobiles, and we would stop at some place where STD booth is there. And then we would give calls to the school to give them an update and also to receive information. Some children would make calls to their parents. So one girl was sitting in a booth and the fan fell over her head and she got some stitches. Now, if things like that happen, there could always be that fight or flight mode. Obviously, there is no option. You will fight it out. You have to deal with it. So immediately, whatever was to be done, we did that. Proceeded with the trip, but at Bhojwas, somewhere in between the trek after Gangotri, after the temple visit, one group went to Gangotri, and the other group, we stayed in those tents with that, because oxygen levels become low, people can't breathe, there was this asthmatic child, you have to be careful of all of those things. And whatever call had to be taken, extremely anxious time. I think the entire night I kept doing Om Bhurbhuvasva. That's when I realized, okay, the power of spirituality, maybe, because until then you don't even pay attention to prayer or what is it in life, and you just can't, you're happy-go-lucky. You just deal with the day as it comes and move ahead. But that entire night, because one group is there and there is no mobile, I don't know, I hope all those 14 children who have gone ahead are safe. I hope I don't get any negative news. And then I need to take all the children back home safely and report to their parents. So that was such an anxious time, and what an experience. But mission accomplished. That trip was successful. Every child emerged to be a stronger person. We, of course, I stayed back at Bhojwas with those kids. Took a decision not to go to Yamunotri. Like again, you have to take a call. What has to be done? How to deal with it? We went to Oli and Kasoli. There were those other plains, as you come down, better places for the children. And then I brought them back to the school. But that was a turning point into what we need to do before we set out to begin something. How should we, the pros and cons have to be evaluated. Be prepared for the worst, but take care that doesn't happen. What should be done? How should you go about doing it? So professionally, of course, this was a turning point. Personally, like I said, I felt I was in Krishna looking at you all and saying, Shiva is in Parvati's home because of the white mountains, Ganges like milk flowing, cascading through, like an infant, jumping around, because that was the initial part of Ganga. Then Ganga becomes more calm and serene as you come towards Rishikesh or towards lower down in the fields. So that beauty, that enchanting beauty, actually, you realized you're lucky to even witness that kind of thing. So everything has a pros and flip side to it, or every experience gives you a lot of perspectives and a lot of learning, I would say. So this was, I don't know how to take it, because share your experience, but with respect to what? Should we talk of professional stress? Of course, there was a lot of stress, and productive stress came up.
Yes.
I mean that productively it was handled, and probably as a person, as a professional,
right.
I thought I grew during that stage.
Correct.
Thank you.
So, okay, we might differentiate continuous. Right? Yeah, we can differentiate professional, personal, but anyway, it's a learning for us in our life, whether it can be a professional, personal, as you said. The point here is, again, the various categories. One is running away. Another is also jumping on the other person and just blaming and then giving it up. Here, Madam could have said it's a principal's responsibility.
Yeah, and
it is not yours.
just
So that is also that is a
protective.
fight kind of mode. I just want to fight. I'm not trying to save anybody. You're fighting just for the sake of it, being hyper on the principal and say it is your problem. Why I should worry? But now we are taking it the stable and maybe the productivity where taking the responsibility and saving it. So that is when you are sharing the experience, I want to relate it. How we are not either giving it up, like in a modern age, 10th board exam gaya, pura sab kuch life hi gaya. That's the way they feel. So we should bring them up from that feeling. That is not the kind of thing. And same way, coming on somebody else. So because of you, I lost.